Hello, Ebusiafo. There is this news circulating on the internet about Kofi Kinaata and Ras Kuuku. Hello.
Kofi song, okay, Effiakuma, I was on. Not I was supposed to be on, I was on. I did my verse. Wow.
On that song?
On that song.
So why was it on?
Kofi Missy, I'm
not asking,
You know that Ras Kuuku and Kofi Kinaata, they had this joint together.
Call me Kofi Kinaata.
Cascades on it.
But after this song, Kofi Kinaata decided to cook a reggae song. We all know the urban featuring. Kofi Kinaata doesn't do a lot of featuring. But his manager, Ojo Williams, decided to put a reggae artist on the song called Effiakuma Love.
Your verse was taken off.
I don't know, and I don't want to.
See, Ojo Zenyomana come out. Oh yeah, Ras Kuuku. Kofi Kinaata never heard the voice and the verse by Ras Kuuku. And so in 2022, Kofi Kinaata decided to do a live version of the song. Okay, Obeyanyoman. Honestly, on the why and verse in until he went to the studio to record his own song. But then Ras Kuuku heard the song and realized that the verse it's a bread and a tie I pay.
I mean, you see me, and a lot of people, they do things to me in this industry. I just keep quiet and watch. I know they talk, but one day.
But I told you one when you're dead. Ras Kuuku is saying that
your verse was harder than his.
Kofi Kinaata in the verse or boom, and that is why they took his verse off. Really?
That's
Ras. There is one question I would like to ask. And you're there day from A to Z. Try baby a yen fee, then you found them verse, you find shower.
Hey, Mojo, I'm a simple, but no quiet and Yawan in Yabini, powerful Toma, Wafia, Sumo, Fumbo, Naya Bella, Lintra. I think I saw one over 40 for
all be lie. If we set up.